Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, this past Thursday we had a little bit of trouble in Alaska, specifically up in Skagway, Alaska. So, about 6:30 in the morning, Thursday morning, the Discovery Princess is tying up there at the White Pass Railroad dock. Well, the mountain that's right there, that hillside that's right there by that dock, if you've ever sailed to Alaska, well, it had a little rock slide that came down, damaged the dock, and did just some very minor damage to the Discovery Princess. Now, first and foremost, the absolute most important thing about all this is that no injuries were reported. So when the rock slide came down, like I said, the Discovery Princess was just tied off. They were getting ready to disembark passengers, but nobody had disembarked from the ship yet. So when the rocks came down, like I said, damaged the dock, scratched up and dented up the Discovery Princess. There were no passengers in the way, no injuries reported, which of course that is the absolute most important thing. So the rock slide damaged the east side portion there of the dock. I'll go ahead and put a picture up here of some of the damage to the dock now. And then, like I said, just some minor dents and scratches on the Discovery Princess. Nothing that is going to stop the Discovery Princess from continuing on her voyage, so she's not going to have any interruptions to her itinerary over this incident. Now, the White Pass Railroad dock, it is still functional. It can still be used, but it is going to have to be assessed before they can begin repairs and before they can reopen the entire dock. After the incident occurred, they simply moved the Discovery Princess. They moved her back further down the dock out of the damaged area, tied her back off. She went ahead and disembarked her passengers. Now, other cruise ships that were also in Skagway that day, the Carnival Miracle, the Ruby Princess, and the Norwegian Jewel, they were all still able to come into port. They did have to move them around a little bit, kind of shuffle their docks, maybe do a little tendering in order to get everybody ashore. But those ships were still able to make their scheduled stop in Skagway that day. However, Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas, she was forced to skip the stop that day due to the rock slide. So, Quantum of the Seas, she is a big ship, being one of Royal Caribbean's Quantum class vessels. And the White Pass Railroad dock is the only dock there that is large enough to accommodate a Quantum class vessel. So she was forced to miss her stop, over simply not having a place to put her. And apparently they're also going to be looking at that mountainside. They're going to look to see if there's any, long-term solutions that can help improve the safety of that area, kind of make sure that no additional rock slides can come down, see if there's any long-term solution they can come up with to prevent this from happening in the future, or at least mitigate it from happening in the future as much as humanly possible. And again, the most important thing about this story is that, like I said, nobody was hurt. Nobody was injured. Docks can be repaired. Ships can be fixed. People, that's what's important. Nobody was hurt. Nobody was injured. The majority of cruise passengers still got to get off and enjoy their day in Skagway. And there's always stories about things that can affect cruise lines. We've talked about weather. We've talked about hurricanes, rough seas, different things like that. Well, now we're going to talk about a rock slide that has caused a disruption into cruising, particularly those folks aboard Quantum of the Seas. So hopefully, though, they get it repaired quickly, get it back up and running, because, those folks in Skagway, they depend on the tourism. They depend on the cruise ships coming in. A Quantum class ship, that's a lot of people. That's a lot of tourism dollars. So believe me, they're going to get that repaired. That way they can get every ship in there they possibly can. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course, lets you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone out there has a great day, is having themselves a really great weekend, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.